Hey everybody, good evening. Welcome to the Paradigm Shift. Today we're in conversation with Mr. Amit Khuva. He is a comedian and he's a comedy trainer as well. So let's wait for him to join in and then we can start. I hope you guys are watching all of the beautiful episodes that we've put in on Soulful Sundays on Instagram, and there's some of very heartwarming, inspiring stories of underprivileged people who have made it big in their lives, and their zest for life is absolutely amazing. So you guys go catch those serials as well. Hi Manmeet. Okay, we have him here.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. It's such a pleasure to have you here. You're like the first comedian that we're having on Paradigm Shift, and we're absolutely happy to have you here.
That's fantastic.
Okay, so while people join us, let me just read a little bit about you. Mr. Amit Khuva, I think you were stuck for a minute. You were stuck. Yeah, you're back. You're
Yeah,
back. Okay.
I'm
All
back.
right.
Okay, fantastic.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Mr. Amit Khuva, founder of India's premier comedy training academy, Cafe Comedy, is a well-known comedian of Gujarat. He is India's first and the world's youngest stand-up comedy trainer as well. He's done more than 2,500 plus shows, 500 plus TV episodes, 100 million plus views on his YouTube channel, 12 years in comedy and 6 years in comedy training. That
Training. Yeah.
is so, yeah, that is amazing. So, Amit, tell us, like, were you that kid in class that, you were like the funniest kid and you were always cracking jokes and all that? Were you that kid?
No, actually, it's the opposite one. I mean, the funniest kid and the class clown are two different, altogether
Right.
things. I wasn't the funniest kid. I was the most. वो शांत बच्चा बैठा रहता है जो तीसरी बेंच के कोने वाली सीट पे सबको लग रहा है कि यार ये क्या ही करता होगा अपने आप में. I was that शांत बच्चा. Though I wasn't that studious, I'll agree to that. But I was
Hmm.
definitely the class clown. So in the class time I was very shant bacha, but when it comes to the time of recess or when it comes to a proxy lecture, I'm like, settle down guys, I'm gonna do a show. So I've never missed an opportunity to do a show even in when I was in third standard or sixth standard.
Wow, that was amazing. So we थोड़ा सा ना आपका वीडियो ब्लर हो रहा है. I don't know whether we should
Okay.
do you want to reset your Wi-Fi, because then we won't have your visuals at all.
Okay, just give me 1 minute, I'll try that.
Yeah. अच्छा, आप गाना भी गाते हो?
नहीं मैंने गाना गाने की शुरुआत की थी. 2 दिन तक गाया, उसके बाद नहीं गाने के लिए सोसाइटी वाले मुझे 15,000 देते हैं.
That is a good one.
Yeah, they say please don't sing. We'll provide you cash. I've recited it. Does it make any difference?
Not really. So I
Okay,
don't know
we'll just.
because
I
we
guess
should
we
we
should
just
just.
restart this?
और let me. Video blur है लेकिन vision clear है. हितेश कुछ भी says. Wow, that's a nice line. But I
Hmm.
guess I will be removing myself from the live and I'll join you. I'll send you the request again in
Yeah,
1 minute.
yeah, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
let me
Please
do
do
that.
that. Okay. So his visuals were unclear, so we'll just get him back once he sends me a request.
Yes. Hello.
Okay, you're back.
Better?
Yeah, I mean, I can see you. So we'll just settle down so that at least I can edit this part once we are, wanting to edit this and go
Definitely.
into Facebook or something. Okay.
Definitely.
Okay,
Definitely.
cool. Okay. So आपने बोला that you were not the funniest kid, but you never missed an opportunity to do a show. That was amazing. So your friends found
Right.
you absolutely amazing and awesome and funny and always cracking up. Yeah.
Right. Right. Right.
Okay. So आप मुझे बताइए अमित, let's start at the very beginning. Let's start how
Sure.
comedy, how did you find comedy, why comedy, all of that. बताइए.
Okay, so I have two different answers for this. One is the answer which is suitable for most of the interviews that I do, and second is the correct answer. And I'll go with both of them. The interview suitable answer is, which is almost correct, is that that I always made I always made myself comfortable by doing comedy. मुझे comfortable feel होता था whenever I'm on stage speaking about things which make people laugh. This is an
Okay.
almost correct answer and very sophisticated. Now I'll give you the very correct truth about it. So
Okay.
basically, जब मैं 6 साढ़े 6 7 साल का था, when I was in first or second standard, my father
Yeah.
started doing a job in a marriage community hall as a manager. He was a banquet
Okay.
manager basically, right?
Okay.
And in a banquet there was always a function every day, and there was a mic. तो वो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता था. मैं कहा इसमें कभी बोलना है, हेलो हेलो. Then my father just granted the wish true कि चल करते हैं. तो एक शादी थी and my father just went to the guy and says 2-3 मिनट के लिए my son can say something. And like क्या बोलेगा?
हाँ.
बोले वो शायरी वगैरह बोलेगा, कॉमेडी करेगा, एक आध जोक आता है उसको. Go ahead. तो I
हाँ.
tried that for 3 consequent days in 3 different functions. तीसरे दिन
Wow.
पे वो शादी जिसकी थी उसके पप्पा, मतलब द यजमान केम नियर मी एंड वो 20 रुपए का नोट मेरी जेब पे रखा,
Wow.
जस्ट एज अ सुवेनियर, एज अ बक्सी. एंड माय फादर वाज लाइक कि
Yeah.
तू रख, इट्स योर्स. उस टाइम पे
हाँ.
मेरे
हाँ.
1 महीने की पॉकेट मनी 5 रुपए थी. सो आई एम
Wow.
लाइक
So you were
कि
rich.
20 रुपया फॉर 3 जोक. अच्छा बिजनेस है, लेट्स गो अहेड विद दिस. सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट एवर मोटिवेशन.
Okay. Okay. So how did your early life look like? I mean, like, did you have a normal schooling life or whatever? Tell us something about that time.
Sure, sure. So basically, comedy affected a lot in my earlier life. I started doing professional comedy shows at the age of 6, 7.
Wow.
मेरा पहला टिकट शो जब मेरे नाम पे 300 रुपए का टिकट लेके लोग आए थे अहमदाबाद टाउन हॉल पे, इट वाज व्हेन आई वाज 8.5 year old.
Wow. That must be great.
Exactly. I was on Colors channel in a reality show named Chote Mia. I and Kapil Sharma started the career with the same television show. So
Oh.
I was on national channel at the age of 12 and a half, 12.5 साल की उम्र पे. So always my
Okay.
जो गुजराती में हमें लेशन डायरी कही है, my homework book was always filled with that please इसे आज 12:30 बजे से पहले स्कूल से छोड़ दीजिएगा because he have a recording at दूरदर्शन.
Oh.
Kindly give a 2 lecture permission to leave early because he has a ticket show in Tagore Auditorium. ऐसे वो. So I was always
Amazing.
that guy कि जिसको स्कूल में सारे बच्चे एनवी करते हैं कि हाँ आया बड़ा कॉमेडियन. हाँ. Getting a lot of attention, making a lot of
Right.
enemies.
So good. So good. So you've also studied comedy. So tell us about that.
Right.
You're studying comedy. So let's hear
Right.
something about that.
Definitely. So basically, I am I'm a stand-up comedian. That's what comedians tell about themselves, that I'm a stand-up comedian. But actually,
Right.
stand-up comedy is not only the only type of comedy.
Yeah.
Stand-up comedy is one of the 38 types.
Okay.
There are 37 more kinds of humor, like improv comedy, conundrum humor, satirical, bland word, wheat. 38 टाइप की कॉमेडी होती है.
Wow.
India has explored approximately 10 types of humor. तो अभी भी 28 type of comedy are there which are neither explored nor even introduced in India. So
That
this
is
idea or just this sentence fascinated me a lot कि ये सीखना है, ये करना है. So I've gone through a couple of institutions, but there is no single institution in the entire Asia or even entire world who makes you learn all the 38 types of humor. So I'm like, okay. So I started Googling. I started meeting couple of big this ह्यूमरिस्ट. बहुत सारे अलग अलग ह्यूमरिस्ट से मैं मिला. बहुत सारे ऐसे पीएचडी से मैं मिला कि जो कॉमेडी के अंदर पीएचडी नहीं किए हैं लेकिन अलग अलग चीजें जो कॉमेडी के आसपास जुड़े. लाइक आई मेट डॉक्टर विल वेगलर फ्रॉम कनाडा जो कि जोक टेलिंग के अंदर अपनी पीएचडी कर रहे हैं. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे लोगों को मिलने के बाद आई स्टार्टेड माय ओन डॉक्टरेट फ्रॉम WR यूनिवर्सिटी. इट्स इन द प्रोसेस. And now currently I am doing my doctorate on the 39th kind of humor. So once I'll be a Dr. Amit Khua, in the entire globe, there will be not only 38, but my 39th kind will be added into the world of humor.
Wow. And what are you calling it?
I'm calling it Indo-Prov comedy. Indo-Prov. It's actually a mixture of the urban era of comedy and the traditional Gujarati format of humor called Bhavai. So I'm mixing couple of types and trying to create something new.
Amazing. So somebody just said, sir, मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ. And that is Aman Vora and Chandni Nebnani, the person who has given me your reference, he's saying hi. And that is so everybody is, like all of them are like writing all kinds of things. Okay, so this is about this is about what you are studying, right? Now you teach comedy also. So Amit, like according to me, I think whether you have a funny bone in your body or you don't have. So I want to understand from you, is it possible to teach comedy or you're just polishing the rough edges ki pause idhar maro udhar maro aise kare raho waise kare raho? What do you actually teach?
Right. So basically you are right at your point. पर हमें सिर्फ दो शब्दों के मतलब समझने हैं, स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी एंड सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर. So stand up comedy is an art form. Just like music, dance, mathematics, swimming, it's an art which can be learned for sure. It's based on techniques. It's basically formula-oriented sums. आप मुझे ये ball pen दीजिए, I'll just couple of formulas apply on this, and there will be 3 jokes out of a ball pen. It's as simple as that.
Okay.
What I can't learn or what I can't train people is sense of humor. One cannot teach sense of humor. If you are funny, you are funny. If you are not, if you are not. That's a very simple formula. There are several friends in our life कि जिनको हम कोई भी hilarious joke सुनाएंगे, the answer will only be हाँ तो. That person does not have a sense of humor at any scale, so we can't make that person comedian. But if you have a sense of humor, comedy is a very coachable thing. It's a very learnable thing. Like I'll give you an example कि गला अगर अच्छा है हमारा, if we have a good voice naturally, we can definitely be singer. But वो सिंगर बनने के लिए मेरा गला अच्छा है मैं सीधा स्टेज पे चला जाऊंगा is not a right amount. उसके लिए we need to understand the sur, the tal, the sargam. So that's basically what comedy training is all about. You have a sense of humor, you are a funny person. Now we just give you a couple of formulas, couple of techniques कि जिसकी वजह से you will be creating jokes out of your daily life. So, yeah, it's coachable. It's very much coachable.
So cool. So, Amit, what are the obstacles and what are the challenges that every comedian faces? Did you have to face any of these, and how did you overcome these?
Of course, there are several challenges. जो पूरी comedy industry के लिए challenge है, वो सबसे पहला challenge तो यही है कि when we are funny, we are the god of people. कि भगवान की तरह लोग सर पे बिठाते हैं कि क्या funny इंसान है. But on the simultaneously on the same week किसी दूसरे event में when a joke doesn't work. So there is no average comedian. Either he is hilarious in public's mind or he is just बकवास. क्या बात कर रहा है यार? It's not funny at all. So you never hear about a comedian की average था. It's like क्या मस्त comedy करता है या कुछ है नहीं वैसे बातें कर रहा है सिर्फ. So the bombing, we call it bombing. The bombing nights are the bombing is basically the jokes didn't work. That's the biggest obstacle. Second obstacle is basically we need to prove ourselves comedians everywhere. not only on the artist visas on airport, but also in, हाँ वो ट्रैफिक वाला भी रात को 1:30 बजे रोकता है, कहाँ से आ रहे हो सर, कमेडियन हूँ, मेरा टिकट शो था, बोले कमेडियन हो, हाँ जोक बोल के सुना एक, तो रात को 1:30 बजे वी हैव टू प्रूव आवरसेल्व्स to Inspector Solanki that yes, I am a comedian. And Inspector Solanki doesn't have a sense of humor, so he is just after completing the joke, he is like, हाँ तो मैंने कहा सर छोड़ दो सर, 300 रुपये ले लो, छोड़ दो सर.
Okay. So do you have a joke, like a fixed joke to tell these people at the visa and at the
I tell the dumbest joke. I tell the dumbest joke. क्योंकि
like
पता है कि
what?
अच्छे जोक पे भी, हाँ, like I have a very favorite joke and it's a guilty pleasure. I know that's a very bad joke but I still love it the most. मेरे साथ जुड़े हुए जितने भी लोग हैं उन्होंने कम से कम 1.5-2 करोड़ बार सुना होगा. I'm not at all exaggerating, you know. So that joke is that, you know, एक लड़का कुत्ते की पूंछ में पीवीसी पाइप का टुकड़ा घुसेड़ रहा था. Now imagine the picture with me, so you'll get the joke. So पीवीसी पाइप जो इलेक्ट्रिक में यूज होती है, he was trying to do that. कुत्ते की पूंछ में घुसेड़ रहा था. मैंने उसको बोला, मैंने कहा बेटा ये जो तू कर रहा है ना, ये एक्टिविटी हर गुजराती ने बचपन में एक बार जरूर ट्राई की है चुपके चुपके, पर इससे कुत्ते की पूंछ सीधी नहीं होगी. If that's what you are trying to do, it's not gonna happen. कुत्ते की पूंछ टेढ़ी ही रहती है. But I really didn't know that बच्चा अहमदाबाद शहर का था. He reverted me back कि मेरे को पूंछ सीधी नहीं करनी है अंकल, मेरे को पाइप का टुकड़ा टेढ़ा करना है.
Okay, so to this Solanki says हाँ तो.
And after that Solanki साहब हाँ तो, मैंने कहा सर खत्म हो गया सर. खत्म हो गया सर.
Oh my God. So Chandni
Yeah.
again says you are the best comedian according to my dad. He sleeps after
Whoa.
watching your video and gets up with your video. So
That's
I
fantastic.
think
But Chandni, this is the most unique thing I've ever said. क्योंकि ये I really want to know from you, Deepshikha ji, is it a compliment if someone says कि सर आपके वीडियो देखे बिना तो मुझे नींद ही नहीं आती है? Is it really a compliment? I'm considering it a compliment.
So you are, you know, like my best friend, she does this. Whenever she wants to fall asleep, she watches couples comedy nights and she sleeps. So I think it's a compliment considering the fact that couple is quite successful.
Let's go with the compliment. Otherwise life is gonna be so miserable. Let's go in with a compliment.
I know. So so another thing is, so like you said, so ये जैसे comedy आपने बोला कि you know these were the challenges. So how does
True.
one overcome these? Like, you know, how does one you know keep yourself from bombing?
I guess joke about it. I'm a stand-up comedian. Anyone who is a stand-up comedian or who is calling himself or herself a stand-up comedian should always joke about the hurdles. Like I also have a personal tragedy going on in my life. Like I'm a patient of a disease called hemophilia. So I'll give you a bit about it and then I'll come back to the answer. The disease hemophilia basically means that if I get a bleed, whether it's an internal bleed or whether I get a cut and it's an external bleed, any kind of bleed does not get clot. It does not stop.
Okay.
So अगर मुझे बॉल पेन की पॉइंट की ये जो इंक है अगर मुझे यहाँ पे लग जाएगी, and if I'm pressing this for even 20 minutes, it's not going to stop. That's what the disease is. And to get it stopped, to prevent it, I need to take an injection which is available in the government hospitals. A single injection costs around 10 to 15,000, which is provided by the government. So I have to take that, and then for 24 hours I am okay. After 24 hours, if I get another injury, I need to take another injection. It's as simple as that.
Oh my God.
I had a bunch of problem with that. I didn't have any friend till I was 15. I was not allowed to play with my friends till I was 17. I was not allowed to travel alone. I'm still not being able to drive a vehicle. School में मेरी maximum percentage of attendance was 29% in my entire curriculum of high school. From 1 to 12. Maximum I attended school is 29% in a year. So now these are the big life hurdles, right? Considering them and considering the small life hurdles कि यार पापा ने डांट दिया यार, या गर्लफ्रेंड ने प्रपोज किया उसको लेकिन लड़की ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया. कंसिडरिंग ईच एंड एवरी प्रॉब्लम दैट अकर्स इन लाइफ, according to me the best way is joke about it. I'm a comedian. If I'm not joking about it, I'm missing jokes basically. So I always joke about it. Even you don't know that I have jokes about this Instagram session. I'm just waiting for the next session to joke about it.
I know. So Pandya 221B says we are with you, Amit, and he sends you
Oh,
lots of
thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
so this is how. Okay, so you were going to get back to the hurdles.
Yeah, so coming back to the answer, I would like to say that every obstacle or hurdle comes in a comedian's life should be converted into a joke.
Okay.
क्योंकि मैंने जैसे बताया कि initially my motivation to do comedy was that 20 rupees when I was 6-year-old, right? But when I get older, when I was 15, 17, 20, जब वो 20, 50, 100 रुपया मैटर नहीं करता था, I was charging thousands of amount or lakhs of amount for a 50-minute show. तो वो फिर पैसा मैटर नहीं करने लगा जब.
Right.
In that case, what made me go on, what made me keep going, what made me keep motivated myself was that कि अपनी जिंदगी के बहुत सारी तकलीफें, अपनी जिंदगी के ऐसे लम्हे जो आप बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ भी शेयर नहीं कर सकते. वी ऑल हैव दोज मोमेंट्स इन लाइफ कि जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ भी शेयर करना कंफर्टेबल नहीं लगता है. इफ यू शेयर दोज एम्बेरेसिंग मोमेंट्स, इफ यू शेयर दोज एम्बेरेसिंग सैड मोमेंट्स ऑन स्टेज विद अ सिंपल टेक्निक एडेड,
Yeah.
and if they laugh on that, if people appreciate, 1000 स्ट्रेंजर आपके दुख को सुनते हैं, वो ताली बजाते हैं और अपनी दुख, अपनी चिंताएं सुनाने का बहुत सारा पैसा मिलता है. So this is the best job one can ever have.
I mean, I'm amazed at, I'm just amazed at the way that you can joke about such a major hurdle in life, but that is
Right.
curiosity. Matlab, you are that strong, amazing personality that you can do that. Anyway, so I just keep having this one thing. जैसे अभी आपने बोला ना वो कैप्टन वो इंस्पेक्टर सोलंकी. So like, do you feel like Alexa all the time? Alexa, tell me a joke. Alexa, tell me a joke. I mean, like, जब भी जहाँ जाते हो, Alexa, tell me a joke. Do you feel like that all the time?
We do actually, because we stopped introducing ourselves as comedian. अब थोड़ा फेमस, ऑलमोस्ट फेमस हो जाने के बाद तो लोगों को पता है, तो अब नहीं आते हैं. अभी तो हम लोग ब्लंट भी हो सकते हैं. लाइक इफ आई गॉट कपल ऑफ वीजास, नाउ आई कैन जस्ट गो टू वीजा ऑफिसर लाइक, आर यू अ कॉमेडियन? आई एम लाइक यस, टेल मी अ जोक. आई एम लाइक, सर आई टेक 3 lakh rupees फॉर अ सिंगल जोक. कैश चेक, क्रेडिट कार्ड. नाउ आई कैन बी दिस एटीट्यूड वाला पर्सन, I can be this person now कि सर अभी 50 वीजा हो गए, 51वां वीजा है, so don't mess around me now. I'm not afraid that you'll reject my visa, so just shut up. But in the earlier stage in life, it's actually a tougher position. I train a lot of people. I'm a trainer, so I train a lot of people जिनकी जिंदगी का बहुत बड़ा बेसिक क्वेश्चन है कि सर ऐसे जैसे ही पता चला कि हमने अमित खुआ के ट्रेनिंग क्लासेस में एडमिशन लिया है and now I'm learning comedy, तो घर जाते ही आस पड़ोस वाले सभी लाइक, आर यू रियली गेटिंग ट्रेन फ्रॉम अमित को? अच्छा कितने दिन हो गए? बोले 4 दिन. अच्छा अब तो जोक सुना. अरे सर कम ऑन.
Oh God. So
and I would interrupt, but it's not the problem कि अगर कोई बोलता है like if Deep Sikha ji is asking me, Amit एक जोक सुना, it's not a problem for Amit. I can, but the problem occurs when after my joke completed, दीप शिखा जी इज लाइक, अच्छा मेरे पास भी एक व्हाट्सएप पे आया था, ये इससे फनी है, वो सुनो. That's so hurting.
Yeah, no, I won't do that. I will be too busy laughing only because I am like, whenever I'm at a comedy show, I laugh the loudest. So there are people who actually christened me as the Archana Puran Singh of the audience. So I will never tell you a joke in
fantastic.
So Shobha says, she's SD. She says you have to have a big heart to laugh at your own serious health issues. Bravo. And there are lots and lots of hearts and hellos and all that. Okay. Tell me that what is your favorite topic to make a joke on? Like normally, आपने देखा ना that all the men make jokes on their wives. So what is your favorite topic? I don't think you're married.
No, I'm not married. No, I'm not married. So I joke about family a lot.
Okay,
I
like,
joke. So, yeah. So I've started my career with joking about uncle. Like 5 years, all the jokes on my uncle. He has more
was he
Instagram
a real?
followers than me.
Oh, really? So he's a real
Yeah.
person.
Yeah, he's a real person. I joke about him, and the fact is, he's that weird and funny that most of the jokes are true. I'm just adding a little exaggeration, and that the incidents are very much true with him.
Okay.
Then I stopped joking about him after 5 6 years. Then now I joke about my father.
Okay.
And my
Is he okay
yeah,
with
I
that?
joke about my yeah, Bapa na Parakram, Bapa na Lafda, Bap Gilinder, Dikro. All the videos are on my father right now since last 3 years. And now my
Okay.
mother is very much afraid कि कब मेरी बारी आएगी.
Okay.
So,
All right. So
so
you
she's
basically
very
do this
afraid.
on,
I
yeah,
do family jokes. I do because I guess we all want to joke about our mother, our father, our uncle, but we are not, like, we don't feel comfortable joke about our father or mother. You know कि यार ऐसे
yeah.
पप्पा है यार मम्मी है. But I happen to have so damn cool parents that I
Okay.
can, just in the morning I can wake up and like क्या बाप I can do that.
So
ये अम्मा क्या देख रही है? I can do that. So they are very cool. They are on Instagram, Twitter. They trend hashtag. They follow memes. They are way cooler than me. I am the old-fashioned guy in the family. So
oh,
yeah, I
how
joke
sweet.
about them.
How sweet. So, Amit, like, so if it is not, I mean, now this is like seriously for all the comedians, wannabe comedians, or so how does one figure out the content? ठीक है, like about a person is fine, but then how does one
Hmm.
figure out the topic or content, or how does one do that?
Right. So to give you a very simple answer of it, comedy
Yeah.
is based on two things: A, opinion, and B, observation.
Okay.
There is no joke in the entire world which is on the third point of view. Either the joke is
Okay.
about opinion or it's about observation. So
Okay.
if you have observed something जो लगता है कि दुनिया ने नहीं देखा होगा, ये
Okay.
ये नहीं देखा होगा दुनिया ने, मैंने ही नोटिस किया है, and I want to talk about it. If you have that
Okay.
unique observation, that's a good content to create joke on.
Okay.
And if you do
Okay.
not observe, like आज सुबह से मैंने ऐसा कुछ observe नहीं किया मेरी लाइफ में which I think is unique, then I might be
Okay.
having a opinion कि
Okay.
why people comment just hello on Instagram. I'm like, do you want us to revert back hello? Like, at least write something after hello. Like, I have an opinion about people commenting hello. Right?
Okay, so for everybody, all the hellos that we've got, please write something for Amit.
I write something after hello. We would love to read it.
Yeah.
So basically, that's an opinion that I have about the Instagram live comments, and that can
Okay.
convert into a joke. So to
Okay.
find out content, all you need to do is either observe something unique, or if you are not being able to observe something unique, then find out कि दुनिया में क्या लोग किस चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, and do I have an opinion about it? If yes, then let's make a joke about it. That's how you do it.
That's how you do it. All right. Okay, so tell me one thing. Do you swear? Do you use cuss words? Do you use galis in your comedy show? And I mean, do you think it's cool?
So, first of all, I don't do that. I am working with the USP of clean comedy. Cafe Comedy and me myself are working with the USP of clean comedy. We don't
Okay.
even use the word sala on stage. That's how clean we do it. We don't
No?
roast people. We don't do joke about a particular person, a political party, Pappu joke, Modi joke. We don't do any personal comment jokes. It's all
Okay.
pure comedy. That's what we call it.
Okay.
Secondly, am I being okay with it, or do I think that it's only the clean comedy which should be done? No, I don't. Actually, adult humor, double meaning jokes, jokes with the curse words are also having a specific type in humor called blue comedy.
Okay.
So it's very much acceptable into the comedy industry. All the point that I want to make by doing clean comedy and all the things I want to convey to the aspiring comedians is that make sure that you believe what you say.
Okay.
अगर मुझे लगता है कि मैं यहाँ पर इस जोक के बाद एक गाली दूंगा, do I really need it? Is it really justifying? Or I'm
Yeah.
just doing because गाली बोलने से लोग हंसते हैं. If I'm just
Yeah.
saying a cuss word because people laugh on the cuss word, then I'm not basically doing a job of a comedian. क्योंकि गाली देके तो
Right.
कोई भी हंसा सकता है. So if
Correct.
I'm using the gali without any context, according to me, that's very wrong. That's not comedy.
And I
But
think
if
that's
I'm
what
I'm Yeah,
Go on.
please.
No, I was just saying that that's what comedians, so many, majority of them are doing that, they keep using it as just like a punch word, and even if the joke is not funny, people will just
Exactly.
kind of get embarrassed and like, oh, and probably laugh on it or whatever.
So that's actually not acceptable as a humorist, I would say, क्योंकि
Okay.
our duty is to make joke about something. Our duty is not to give a word जिसके ऊपर लोग हंसते हैं. Otherwise फिर
Correct.
गुदगुदी करना किसी को would also be considered as comedy, but it doesn't, right?
Right.
मैं गुदगुदी करूं किसी को तो would I consider it comedy? अरे लोग हंस तो रहे हैं ना, अरे पर हंस रहे हैं, that doesn't make it comedy,
Right.
right?
Okay.
So
Yeah. So that is this. Okay, tell me one thing, Amit. Are you always under constant pressure of staying cheerful, happy, cracking jokes? Like, does that, मतलब घर में जैसे okay, I know your parents are cool, but like, do you have those moments like how women have moments of PMSing and all that? Do you have those moments like, leave me alone, and I am not going to be like laughing or cracking jokes today?
I have a question before I answer that. Have you ever met any stand-up comedian in a real life?
No.
No, right? So we basically are the saddest, weirdest, people जो नहीं हंसते. अगर आप मेरी ऑफिस में मुझे मिलने भी आएंगे, I'm like, यहाँ बैठिए, बताइए क्या था. And that we all are that serious people. We are always like a stand-up comedian will never be. ये किसी का quote है. I don't remember the name of that person. ये किसी का quote है कि a stand-up comedian is never the heart of the party. वो पार्टी की जान नहीं होता. He is always that person. वो कोने में बैठा होगा जूस का ग्लास लेके and observing things. अगर कोई उसको
Content.
बोलता है what's your good name, Amit, anything else, we are that person. So I'm
Okay.
not so it's basically two different personalities that I live, or any comedian live, on stage and off stage.
Okay.
My on stage life has to be hilarious, funny and joyful. अगर मैं जिंदगी में बहुत बुरा दिन भी है, मेरे साथ कुछ भी हुआ है, आई लाइक माई फादर स्कोल्डेड मी, मेरी बाइक चोरी हो गई है, माई एंगेजमेंट ब्रोक, एनी जिंदगी में सबसे बुरा का बुरा दिन क्यों नहीं है, I have to be funny, I have to be cheerful, I have to be like, hello, my name is Amit, what's up, chacha, kya hal chal? I have to be that.
Okay.
That's my online personality, the on-stage personality. But in the off-stage, I'm a person who don't, or any comedian is a person who is like, let me think. Please don't disturb. Joke, हाँ वो ticket ले लो 24 तारीख का. I'm not saying joke here. We are that people.
Because this I completely identify with, because I am not a comedian, but I am that funny person. Like, I can make jokes, and I can be funny, I laugh loudly or whatever. And when people come to work with me, they think that, oh, she's going to be one of that ha ha hoo types and all that, and I'm absolutely in a different avatar, and yes, let's get down to
True.
business and what do you want and all that. So they kind of taken aback from my my group WhatsApp group personality and my real life personality. So that is
Exactly.
true. But I'm going to use this, ticket khareed lena.
That's an actually advantage. That's an actually advantage. कोई आके जैसे randomly बोलता है कि सर एक जोक सुनाओ, सर थोड़ा सा मस्ती है, हम लगे 24-26 दो शो है, टिकट ले लो. अगर उसको बुरा नहीं लगा, if he's laughing, then क्या बात है. अगर उसको बुरा लग गया कि अरे सर, अरे जोक था पगले, यही तो जोक था, like we can always convert anything, like दिल में जो बात है हम बोल देते हैं. अगर उसको समझ में आ गई तो ठीक है, नहीं समझ में आई तो it was a joke ऐसा बोल देने का भी.
Correct.
Comedians can easily propose anyone. Comedians can easily propose anyone. Will you marry me? And the person is like, no. Oh, that's a joke. We can do that.
That's a good one. Okay, so Chandni again says you're being watched by my mom, and she's one of your biggest fans. Lots and lots of love from her. And
of course, lots of love to auntie.
And there is Mayank Patel, 728 came Cho Amit Bhai, love from USA. And
thank you.
And my best friend Mona Rathore says content materials. So yes, so she's involved. Yes. Okay, so have you ever offended anybody with your jokes?
A lot of time actually. Three of them actually gone to a very serious level, like complaints and all. But
Oh,
I've offended a lot. Even I'm a stand-up comedian who is completely clean. Do not use gali, do not use double meaning jokes, never roast any public member or fellow performer, never made a comment about any political party, never joked about any profession, never joked about any single person with a name, never joked about a Bollywood celebrity. Still I've got a lot of complaints.
wow.
So, so
So
basically,
you must tell us about this. Matlab, this is
definitely,
breaking news.
definitely, because so basically non-offensive joke जैसा कुछ दुनिया में available ही नहीं है. I would say that
Okay.
anything can be offending to a certain person in a globe. If I'm joking, if you joke about चाय, अगर आप चाय के बारे में joke करोगे, I am the first person who is getting offended. I'm like, okay, that's it, good night. I'm not continuing. I'm that, you know, passionate about कोई अगर, and that's really fact. अगर चार दोस्त ऐसे बैठे हैं, someone like कि कचरा चाय बनाया, I'm like, तू चाय को कचरा मत बोलना, otherwise नहीं बात करेंगे अपन. I'm that, you know, possessive about the drink tea.
Okay.
हो सकता है. If I joke about like I'll tell you, I have a joke about the newspaper. मैंने नाम भी नहीं लिया था मैं कौन से न्यूज़पेपर की बात कर रहा हूँ. मैंने सिर्फ न्यूज़पेपर्स आजकल कैसा छापते हैं मैंने उसके ऊपर जोक किया था. एंड अ पर्सन वाज बेसिकली got offended. And I'm like, are you a owner of any newspaper? He said no. I'm like, are you a journalist who is a newspaper में काम करता है? He's like, no. Like, then are you anyhow associated with the business of newspaper or even in media? He's like, no. And I'm like, who are you? I'm like, I'm an avid newspaper reader. How can you say this about newspaper? I'm like, bro. Then just इसका रिफंड भी मत देना, इसको निकालो आधे शो से. Like,
Oh my
sometimes people get
God.
offended on a very silly reason, which can't be done. मैंने
Yeah.
सिर्फ कुत्ता बोला था एक बार. ये कुत्ते की पूंछ वाला ही जोक था, इसका एक्सटेंडेड वर्जन में बोल रहा था. मैंने कहा यार ये कुत्ता यार कुत्ता ही है. एंड आई गॉट अ यू नो कंप्लेन ऑन मी. और बाद में मेरे को पता चला कि वो अपने कुछ एरिया वाइज डॉग एसोसिएशन है उनका, और वो अपने अपने कुत्तों को लेके वो आते हैं. और एंड आई एम लाइक, आई ऑल्सो लव डॉग्स. आई ऑल्सो लव डॉग्स. मोस्ट ऑफ माई रिलेटिव्स हैव डॉग्स एंड आई प्ले विद देम अ लॉट. I get them food. I love dogs, but let me talk about it. I
Yeah.
talk about my mother, I talk about my father, I have to talk about dogs as well. कुत्ता बोलने में क्यों यार चिढ़ रहे हो यार, इतना तो कोई नहीं चिढ़ेगा. So happens.
Yeah.
Happens.
There is that no, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੁੱਤਾ ਕੁੱਤਾ, ਸਾਡਾ ਕੁੱਤਾ or
साड़ा
opposite.
कुत्ता opposite, yeah. So we just
Okay.
the only way is to ignore them, because किसी को
Yeah.
बहुत दिल से हर्ट हुआ होगा तो ही वो आया होगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी डोंट जस्ट हाँ ठीक है चलो जो होता है बन लो, वो वी डोंट डू दैट. वी अप्रिशिएट that they coming up and saying, we feel even if we are sorry or not, we say sorry to the person कि ठीक है
Yeah.
भैया सॉरी, क्योंकि आपकी
Yeah.
फीलिंग्स को हर्ट हुआ तो फिर ठीक है. क्योंकि वो 200 रुपए 300 रुपया 2000 रुपए टिकट लेके आया था टू गेट एंटरटेन. और अगर
Yeah.
उसको हर्ट होता है तो इट्स माय हम्बल ड्यूटी टू टेल हिम सॉरी इवन इफ आई एम नॉट.
How sweet.
But
How
yeah.
sweet.
Oh,
That's what Shah Devansh wanted to know. Then you ignored the offense. No, he doesn't. He
yeah,
apologizes. So Amit is very sweet.
exactly.
Okay. So, what is your greatest fear, Amit? Like that really scares you?
It will sound a little diplomatic, but it's actually a fact. Not going on stage for several months. क्योंकि basically comedy is like a drug. It's very addictive.
Yes.
और being
Yeah.
on stage, it's very addictive. मैं पिछले 1-1.5 साल से कोविड-19 में I wasn't on stage and पिछले 3 महीने से I was feeling a little depressed कि I'm not living at all, ऐसा लग रहा था मुझे. और 3-4 महीने से my family everyone was very much concerned कि हो क्या गया इसको. I consulted a doc, everything was okay, but still. And then after the COVID-19 ended, I went on a 800 people, 1600 के ऑडिटोरियम में social distancing के साथ 800 लोग बैठे हैं. I went on stage and like क्या हाल चाल, and 800 people clapped, and I'm like, okay, this was missing in life.
Yes.
So
Obviously.
7 साल का था मैं तब से, मैंने constant ऐसे 15 दिन नहीं देखे हैं when I'm not having a mic in my hand and 1000 people in front of me. 15 दिन का ऐसा कोई पीरियड नहीं था, and COVID-19 took a 1 year of it. So
Wow.
so fear came true, you know. That's very
Yeah.
hard.
Yeah, I'm sure all of us have had that. I mean, we were too busy doing Baigiri, so we didn't have time to be depressed. But yes, depression has been hit a lot of people in the
True,
pandemic. So did you
true.
go in the pandemic? Did you go live and did you do comedy? I mean, did you go live and talk to your audience, or what was it? Did you do any of
Of
that?
course, of course. I've utilized the pandemic time the most in last 5 7 years. I've did a couple of
Okay.
Instagram series. I've did a couple of YouTube series. I've made around 55 videos, which are gradually posting on my YouTube channel. आई वॉज हैविंग अ लाइव सेशन और फिर 6 7 महीना लॉकडाउन कंटिन्यू हुआ जब लॉकडाउन 4 आ गया देन आई ऑल्सो इवन स्टार्टेड डूइंग द जूम शोज कि नाउ अमित
Okay.
कुबा विल बी लाइव ऑन जूम come down take
Okay.
a ticket and we'll do a show and zoom shows are the toughest thing
Yeah.
I'll tell you a joke about it actually it's a fact but it sounds like a joke to me so let's try this out so basically zoom shows का problem ये है दीपशिखा जी कि मेरी आवाज लोगों तक पहुंचती है 3 सेकंड के बाद
Okay.
and the response comes to me after 3 more seconds.
Oh, that's
So
disheartening.
basically, mere exactly. So when I'm completed the first joke, and when I'm performing the second joke, then the laughter comes in between for the first joke. So now I'm
Oh my
confused कि
God.
क्यों हंस रहे हैं. So I have a solution for this. मैंने इसका solution क्या किया? मैंने ये सोचा कि मैं हर जोक के बाद 5 सेकंड का pause लूंगा.
Paul.
टू गेट द लाफ्टर लाफ्टर आ जाएगा
Okay.
उसके बाद आई कंटिन्यू आई स्टार्टेड दैट वो 2 3 शोज में अच्छा चला फिर हुआ ऐसा कि वन ऑफ माय जोक डिडंट वर्क वो चला नहीं तो आफ्टर द जोक कंप्लीटेड आई एम लाइक ओके sorry guys the internet was lacking and people commenting no internet wasn't lacking your joke was I'm like okay
Oh, that one was good one. That was a good one.
yeah
Do you want to just
people
read what is? I can't read all of Gujarati. I do little bit.
Manus,
Ahmedabad.
yeah, Manus Kapadia is asking me that Ahmedabad में थवानी match में जवाना with like are you going to attend the match that's happening in Ahmedabad? No, I'm actually not. I'm not an avid cricket lover, but yeah, it's definitely a must watch match. I guess it's houseful as well. Sold out it is.
And plus, COVID is hitting back again, so we have
Yeah.
to. जैसे अमिताभ बच्चन
Take
ने
care a
बोला
little.
तब तक दवाई नहीं तब तक ढिलाई नहीं so we have to kind of
हाँ.
go back into our shells and wait for it. Yeah.
अभिषेक
So,
बच्चन जब अमिताभ बच्चन को फोन करते होंगे दीपशिखा जी when Abhishek is calling his father do he also need to hear that I'm like hello papa
Oh my God, that one is a good one.
yeah
Okay, what according to you, this is my next question. What according to you, Amit, is not cool in the comedy world or jokes, or not even in the comedy world around you? Like, what is not funny? What is not acceptable by you? What is not cool?
things which are uncalled for it's not cool for me it's for general as well and it's in comedy it affects a lot if someone is joking on me if the host of the evening is joking about me or let's say if you are making a mean joke to me and if I'm answering back by a repartee if I'm answering back by a comeback that's fine at some extent but you are introducing me hey that's Amit Kuwa today's guest and I'm making a mean joke on you is not okay for me so basically when in a TV show or in a live program when a comedian or a performer any sort of a public performer just breaks down like the third row second guy yeah, what's your good name like what a fuddu name क्या करते हैं भाई साहब अच्छा जिंदगी में कुछ उखाड़ा नहीं इन्होंने if you just give it a take according to me that's not cool that's not cool because that's punching down it's not punching up you are basically making a joke about a person who cannot come back with a higher note because he's not being able to
Yeah,
so
because he doesn't
that's not
have-
cool
Yeah,
exactly he doesn't have a mic he doesn't have the attention of audience he doesn't know humor so that's very much advantage that you have which the person doesn't have and it's uncalled for अगर वो बीच में अगर बोला है अबे पुराना जोक है उतर जा and if I'm commenting back कौन बोला हाँ then it's fine
Okay.
but
okay,
other than that
okay.
it's uncalled for
So, because this is a thing, I don't know if you do it in your shows because I remember going for my first comedy show, and we were all going to. It was first come first serve, so we were going to sit in the first row. We said, "Chalo, chalo, chalo, आगे जाके बैठेंगे," and all that. And this friend of mine that already had been to a lot of comedy shows, no, 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 don't sit here, because the first row is the butt of all the jokes. That's where all the jokes, all the content comes from. So, do you also do that?
No, we comedians are very smart. Now we start from the second row.
So we were sitting way behind, like 10 rows.
Then you are safe. Then you are safe. हम लोगों ने शुरू किया है, पहली लाइन में ज्यादातर वो एक्स्ट्रा ओवर स्मार्ट लोग आके बैठते हैं, लाइक मेरी मजाक उड़ाओ मैं सामने बोलेगा. सो वी नाउ अवॉइड द फर्स्ट रो. वी टॉक विद द सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ रो कि पता है कि इन लोगों ने नहीं सोचा होगा. दे वांट टू सिट अहेड बट दे डोंट वांट टू बी फन अबाउट. उनको मजाक नहीं बनना है लेकिन आगे बैठना है. सो दे सिट इन द सेकंड एंड थर्ड रो. सो वी आर लाइक यू आर द टारगेट.
Okay, now this is going to be like मुझे एक joke बोलो ना, almost like that. What is the funniest joke according to you? Like that really cracked you up. Not your own joke. It could be some person you idolize in the comedy world.
Any joke. अब मैं जो भी जोक बोलूंगा ना वो फनीएस्ट नहीं होगा, फॉर वेरी श्योर. एनी जोक जिसको सुनने के बाद आपको पता ना चले कि वाज देयर अ जोक. मजा आया लेकिन are you fun, like are you making joke? If you are confused whether it's a joke or not and still enjoying is the funniest joke. So basically इस पूरे लाइफ के अंदर ऐसा कभी हो गया हो जब I am not trying, like the अभिषेक अमिताभ बच्चन वाला was just a curious question from my end.
Yeah.
It wasn't a joke. It was a curious question, and you laughed like anything, and I'm like, okay, that's a joke. So according to me, I already did actually.
Okay.
So that's the definition of funniest joke, where both the comedian and audience are confused कि ये joke था क्या, पर मजा बहुत आया.
Okay. So who is your favorite comedian? We won't do the joke thing. Let's see who do you idolize in this, Indian or it could be somebody from the other part of the world.
From the other part, right? So basically, the names got changed after every couple of years as I evolve in the comedy industry. Currently, the names are Shahabuddin Rathod, who is a Gujarati humorist, Johnny Lever, who is of course we all know, and the third one I'm currently exploring is Hasan Minhaj.
Oh yeah.
Hasan Minhaj, yeah, he is a good one. He's actually good at this.
Okay. So tell us something that you want to, some message that you want to give people on your wall here. Those who want to probably be a comedian, like, do you have any, advice for them? Come and join your academy.
Sure.
That's like the first. But after that.
Of course. To the comedians, I would like to give a single advice that it's actually a fact and advice both that stand-up comedy industry does not have a gradual growth like this. किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में इस तरह का ग्रोथ होता है, वो कॉमेडी इंडस्ट्री में नहीं है. The comedy industry have a growth like this actually. It goes like this and suddenly at some point you'll be picked up. After that you'll be having this kind of growth. After a couple of years you'll be picked up. So Amit Khua from 2003 to 2009, nothing with the experience of 1,000 shows. 2009, a big show comes up, Amit Khua is, taking money in thousands.
Yeah.
From 2007, 8 to 2015, Amit Khua was nothing. 2017, another show, another video got viral, Amit Khua taking lakhs. So it's basically a game of patience. If you want to become a comedian, give at least 5 years. That's how the industry works. And to the audience, I have a advice / message / request that do not compare live comedy with digital comedy. You're watching a Zoom show, you're watching a YouTube video, you're watching a Netflix special or Amazon Prime special or an Instagram live or a reel. is basically अगर आपको उसमें let's say 100 में से 50 जितना मजा आता है, if the enjoyment is 50 out of 100, the live comedy show, the live humor is going to be 95 at least.
Okay.
So basically a live comedy show or live humor is more than the double enjoyment than it comes to the digital environment. So whenever there is a comedy show, open mic, or any humor related event happening in your city, in your town, must visit it. It's an epic experience. I'm very sure about it, irrespective of whether I'm performing or any comedian is performing.
Absolutely, I agree, and I totally go by the, you vouch for that. We had done, we like, even if you do 100 crunches and you go to a good comedy show and back, your abs are like so tight from laughing and they hurt like
Dude,
a good ab workout. So that I agree
it is,
completely.
yeah.
Okay,
Totally, totally.
tell us about your academy, Cafe Comedy. Like, how does one enroll? We don't need to talk about the fees and all, but like, is it on your website and how many days? Everything. Tell us all about it.
Definitely, definitely. So basically, I'll give you a 1 minute insight about how I started this. I, for the first 650 shows, 700 shows, मेरी जिंदगी के पहले 700 इवेंट तक I wasn't being able to handle a microphone. मुझे नहीं पता था माइक कैसे पकड़ता है. I was handling
Okay.
a microphone like this and it didn't give me sound. 700 शो के बाद someone says कि माइक ऐसे पकड़ते हैं. There were so many small hurdles. What is the definition of a satirical joke? How to, मेरे फूफा बहुत फनी है लेकिन उनके बारे में स्टेज पे बात करूंगा तो लोगों को मजा नहीं आता बिकॉज दे डू नॉट नो माई फूफा. दैट्स बेसिक क्वेश्चन, यू नो. तो
Right.
बहुत सारे ऐसे सवालों को लेके मैंने मेरी जिंदगी के 7-8 साल इन्वेस्ट किए एंड आफ्टर 8 years आई एम लाइक ओके दिस इज हाउ कॉमेडी हैपेंस, दिस इज हाउ जोक गेट्स क्रिएटेड. So I've converted this learnings or these experiences of mine into a proper training diploma courses. कि
Okay.
जहां पर before even starting to do comedy, one can just learn the very basics and can save 5 or 7 years of his comedy career or her comedy career. So basically,
Wow.
it's not like if you do not join a comedy academy, you do not become a comedian. Johnny Lever never joined a comedy academy. Zakir Khan never did. Neither Amit Khua, right? But
Right.
if you are joining an academy or a workshop, it actually helps you to save a couple of years in your career.
Okay. Okay.
So as Cafe Comedy is Asia's only academy, we offer a lot of courses. Like we have a 2-hour free workshop every month. If anyone wants to just try how comedy gets learned, आप आइए 2 घंटे का workshop है. It's very much free. The next is on 25th, I guess. The website, the
Okay.
tickets are available on my bio and all. So basically, we have a free workshop. We have a 1-day workshop. We just want to try. But whenever it's about कि नहीं मुझे comedy करना सीखना है, I really want to get into it. Then the minimum amount of course is 1 year.
Okay.
भैया 1 साल का कोचिंग है. You need to learn comedy क्योंकि 10 दिन में किसी को कॉमेडियन नहीं बनाया जा सकता.
Correct. Correct.
So we work with 2 different modules. If we want to just have an experiment कि चलो हम भी try कर लेते हैं, then come down. We do not want to charge. But if you really
Okay.
want to learn, you need to provide us a whole year. That's how we work.
So this whole year is like every day? There are classes every day, or is it a part-time thing, or how does
No.
it work?
So the first 10 days are every day, 3 to 4 hours every day. We make you learn all the theoretical part. And
Yeah.
after the 11th day, it's basically we are taking 5 to 6 hours of your entire weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay.
So sometimes it's a morning class, sometimes it's an open mic opportunity, sometimes it's a humor session with an international speaker, assignments,
Wow.
exams. It's like a proper diploma course.
Wow. That is interesting. So where is this academy in Ahmedabad?
Ahmedabad, it's in the area of Satellite.
Okay.
Shamal Crossroad is the location. And the website is also very simple, cafecomedy.in. So you can get
Okay.
all the registrations, like course details, academy address, everything out there.
And when are you starting one in Bombay?
Yeah, we are in plan to start one in Bombay and one in Delhi. Actually, it was planned to get enrolled in the July last year, but now
Oh.
we are planning to do that in the year end. So most probably it will start in 3 more cities in the year end itself.
All the best. That is so good. That is amazing. So we'll have some really good, clean comedians coming out of that. Acha, one more thing. You called
Sure.
somebody humorist. So is it? Do you have to say humorist or comedian? I mean, what's the right word?
Two different roles in society. Stand-up comedian or comedian has the role of making people laugh. If I'm a comedian, मुझे कोई ज्ञान की बात नहीं करनी चाहिए, मुझे कोई भी मैसेज नहीं देना चाहिए, मुझे कोई एडवाइस नहीं देना चाहिए, nothing. I'm a comedian, I have to make them laugh. That's it. But after I become a popular comic or a comedian जिसको देखने के लिए 1000 लोग आते हैं, अगर मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे लिख दूं कि दिस ब्रांड इज गुड, तो उस ब्रांड के 25 परचेज हो जाएंगे. इफ आई एम माई वर्ड इज वैल्यूएबल, then I should
Right.
definitely say something which the society needs. And that's where I
Right.
become a humorist as well. कि जहां पर मेरी
Oh,
मेरी I value the spot that I have in society, and I make sure that I'm utilizing it to convey the right things.
okay. That is amazing.
Yeah.
So just before we end this, we're close to 1 hour. कहाँ गया वो 1 घंटा? We didn't
Is
realize.
it? Oh wow.
Yes. So just let me tell everybody that is joining from Amit Kuba's side, please follow our page, that is The Paradigm
Of
Shift of
course.
Hope. And we have some valuable content there. We have people like, we don't have people, Amit is the first comedian that we've had, and we're so proud that Amit actually came and, actually told us how comedy happens and everything, educated us almost. So please follow our page. We have people from different walks of life giving us valuable content, and their stories are so inspiring. And everybody that is joining us from the Paradigm Shift, please follow Amit's page. I don't have to tell them. I'm sure they've already gone and followed you. So if you want to learn comedy, if you want to see comedy, if you want to sleep comedy, like Chandni's parents, and you want to wake up to comedy, please follow Amit's page and his YouTube channel. Everything, I'm sure everything is in his bio. So yeah.
Of
So
course.
Amit,
Of course.
Amit, before we close down, do you want to leave us with something to
Of course, of
tell
course.
about?
I want to say a big thank you to Chandni for giving a reference of mine, and I want to give you a big thank you for conducting this interview in a very comfortable way. बाकी वो बिल्कुल वो मीडिया वाले सवाल जैसे इंटरव्यूज लॉकडाउन में चल रहे थे, तो आपको कितना पैसा मिलता है सर? मैंने कहा अमिताभ बच्चन से थोड़ा कम. प्लीज प्लीज डोंट आस्क. आई एम थैंकफुल दैट दिस थोड़ा सा कम. मैंने कहा वो 4 5 10 जीरो निकाल दो उतना. So basically, I'm really thankful to this interview, and I'm really impressed. I must say, I was looking for this word. I'm really impressed with the work that this page is doing, and I've almost seen every IGTV video. I've just couple of them left, and I'm gonna see that tonight. And I really appreciate the variety of minds that you are interviewing, and the thoughts that you are helping the audience to get down from their minds. It's really an appreciable work. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया for joining me in, and बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया for letting me be in this panel of this great minds.
That is so humble and modest of you. You're a star. Thank you for letting us interview you. Thank you so much. And Chandni, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
She says you rocked. This episode was excellent. So great. Thank you,
Thank
Chandni.
you.
Thank you, Amit. So we shall
Thank you.
see more of you. I think when you are
Of
coming
course.
to Bombay with your academy, cafe comedy, I think we should do another one just to introduce that one. That'll be
Definitely.
great. Cool.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
guys.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care. Bye.